Hey, Leah.
Oh, yo, what's up?
Check it out.
You're the only one for me. Leah, you're the only one for me. Leah, you're the only one for me. The one for me. The one for me. Leah, you're the only one for me.
Hey, it's Leah Simone and I'm back! And if this is your first time to my channel, welcome. You guys, I have a special announcement to tell you about. Amazon Prime now offers bundles! You guys, stay tuned to the specs and what I thought about this hair. Okay, you guys, so this hair is in collaboration with Zemokwa hair. You guys, this hair got to my house so fast that I forgot that it was there. When I came home, I was looking at my doorstep and I was like, what did I order? So when I opened the box, you guys, my bundles were in there and I was so excited. The hair is so soft, it's pretty. You guys, like, we need to get right into the specs. So I received 3 bundles of Brazilian kinky curly hair. It came in this box right here, you know, Amazon Prime, okay? So, yeah. So then the hair, when I opened the box, it came in this plastic, tinfoil like bag, and I cut it open. And then each bundle was in another piece of plastic and then it had a hairnet on it. So I got 16, 18, 16, okay? 18 and 20. We almost didn't make it, okay? 20. When I got this hair, you guys, it's so soft and pretty that I was ready to get it installed that day. I would say that this hair is a 3B 3C curl pattern. The hair is thick all the way through. Look at the wefts, you guys. It's in a natural 1B color. It's one bundle right here, and then the 20-inch, I had already co-washed it with the Aussie Moisture Rich conditioner. And as you play with the curls, the more natural that it looks. So you guys, stay tuned for the final look of this Zemokwa Brazilian kinky curly hair. Alright, you guys, let's get right into the nitty-gritty about this hair. As you can see, I have it styled in a half up, half down hairstyle. I used Eco Styler and water to elongate these pretty curls. I want to tell you guys about the customer service of Zemokwa hair. They're amazing. You can't beat them. They respond quickly, and if you have any questions or concerns, they're right there on Instagram or message them through Amazon. I also want to point out to you guys that the cost for these 3 bundles was $79.80. Now you cannot beat that. Think about all the times we paid $80 for one bundle. 3 bundles for $80, can't beat it at all. Alright, I took some notes. I'm going to let you guys know about the shedding. I've had this hair in for about a day. I have not experienced any shedding, even with the wefts being cut. The smell. There was a little smell. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, it smelled a little bit chemically, but once I co-washed it, I noticed that the smell went away. And I also used the Main Choice Tropical Moringa Sweet Oil and Honey Endless Moisture Spray. It smells like summer candy, if that makes sense. But yeah, I would definitely recommend this hair. You can't beat 2-day shipping, you can't beat the price and customer service. This gets a grade A in my book. So that's all that I have for you guys today. Make sure that you comment, like, and subscribe down below. Everything that I've used in this video will be listed in the description bar. Make sure that you stay tuned for the update on this hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you next time.
Leah, you're the only one for me.